it's Monica. I think this is Niagara Falls. I don't know. Well, I didn't do videos in a long time. Yeah. I don't really know what to do. Well, I don't know what to do now. Yikes. Well, so I am bald. I'm bald. I'm bald. I'm bald. I'm bald. And I'm with hair now. I have short hair. Now I'm bald. Now I'm bald. Yay! I'm bald. Nothing. None of my hair can show. Yeah, look. Kidding. I just have long hair. And look at my big hands. I'm big. I don't know. Well, I think I have to go now. One more question. Bye. That's my question. Bye.